We're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can create this mirror world effect. First up, depending on the footage that you use, you want to change the aspect ratio down here. Let me make that 16:9. And then I position this a little bit downwards. I want the skyline to be in the lower half of the frame. Then Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V on this clip in the timeline. To have it copied, flip it 180 degrees. Reposition that, and then you have to mirror it. The option should be here in the timeline as long as this clip is selected. Then again, we are on the top video clip. We go to video mask, use horizontal, flip the mask and reposition that. And I have to reposition my clip a little bit. So let me switch back to basic. I drag it a little bit upwards. So this has to be in the top half. And we want to have a little bit of the horizon in the bottom and the upper half so that we have this typical effect. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.